Just got to keep smiling, guys. We're at the beach and it's raining.
I learned how to sing. Then I thought I wanted money so I could buy a nice thing.
And it's great.
But when you have the kind of rain that we're having, here's my runoff on the out of my top. But I'm getting water on this corner. And it's running down the side and right inside the trailer. And here's how I deal with water running into my trailer.
And it was a fantastic day at the beach while we were there, but we had a lot of wind. It was cold, the water was cold, but we did our best to make it, you know, as comfortable as we could. And I gotta get my my rag because I just finished seasoning my cast iron pan, and I decided that I was going to do some cinnamon rolls. So the cinnamon rolls, oh, they're going to be good. I'm so excited. So I put them on the barbecue, so I seasoned my pan. Let me just show you here. Let me just see what they look like. Oh boy. So I think they're done. Look at those. And so this is on my barbecue. And this is one of the cast irons that I bought years ago. And so I've been collecting them now for a couple of years. And the one thing that you have to do with them is you got to season them. And seasoning is not that difficult to do. Really what it is clean out the rust. Get the rust all cleaned out of it. So you can see here. So this is a solid cast iron pan. Clean them all out with whatever you want. SOS pad or whatever you want. And oil it, put it into either your oven or your barbecue, get it up to 500 or 600 degrees, and just let it bake and bake and bake, and get that seasoning right into that cast iron, right into that metal. And then once you do that, and then when you bake something like this, it just turns out awesome. Anyways, cheers. RVer, but we've been RVing for 20 years. This is with Odin. I do have a pressure gauge on my water supply. Anytime you leave for the day, you should always turn your water off, guys. Because if you have a blowout, even though I do have a pressure regulator on the system, it maintains the pressure in the pipes because it's an RV. I mean, it's not built for 8, 9, 10 gallons per minute. It's built for 2, 3, 4 gallons per minute. So go back when you leave for an extended period of time. We're just going to go and clean up some laundry. Turn off your water, and that way it protects your system from blowouts and flooding it out. So let's do it. Yellow. Hey, how are you? Good. How are you? Hey? Oh yeah. I think you're right. Here's my pressure regulator here. Takes it from the tap down to a regulated amount that comes in the unit. Just turn on your outside bib and pressurize the line, and then just let the pressure off the system. So that's it. So now I won't, you know, I'm not worried about it. I'm okay leaving my hot water tank on because there's already 6 gallons of water in it. And if it's already heated, it won't continuously fire. So there's no use on that. Everything is good. Lock the system down, you're good to go. No blowouts. Because we had a blowout. We actually had that happen when I had winterized the system, because I winterize everything. And I mustn't have ran enough water through the shower. And the very next time I cleaned out the system, I bleached it, cleaned it all out, hooked it all up to the shore power and got the water pressurized, and then we left. And didn't the frickin' line to the shower blow. Remember that? In behind the wall. And here I go walking through the trailer and then squish, 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 squish. I was like, oh no.
What's going on?
And because I had pressurized the system and didn't take the pressure off, it literally sat there and blew out and leaked the entire time we were gone. So
it was an expensive mistake.
It was.
touched over the road like a warm embrace. Stripes of shadows all across your face. You hear a sound off in the distance, a rumble and a flash of light, and you start laughing, and you don't know why. Even though you've been praying for sunshine, sometimes you know it's still gonna rain.
Did you get it all in two?
Pardon?
You got everything in two?
I did.
Wow. Did you already put your solution in?
I did.
Wow.
You need, it tells you here how much you have left. Oh, you're good. I did it.
You sure you want this on hot? Yeah.
Yeah. That's my towels. Press start.
Closed door?
That's good.
There you go. Now you can hit the start. Oh, there's another one.
That's a really slow zoom. I was shouldn't be standing right under where the water drips.
This is what you do on a rainy day when you're at the beach. This is going to get retired for the rest of the season. That thing right there.
Oh, your blanket?
Probably police blanket. That's it. So I'm getting a little bit of water here in the unit. Listen, when you're dealing with an RV and you're dealing with multi-hours of rain, some of it torrential, thunderstorms, it has literally been raining for, I'm gonna say 8 hours now, like steady, like this. Rain, you're gonna get water inside. There's no way around it. These units have seams. When you have a slide out on them, I mean, they have rubber on them. You know, here's your rubber. It runs all the way up the side of your slide, and it's great. But when you have the kind of rain that we're having, here's my runoff on the out of my top. But I'm getting water on this corner, and it's running down the side and right inside the trailer. And here's how I deal with water running into my trailer. I tip my trailer. I take the trailer and I run it down a little bit away. See, if you look at the top of my tip out, my slide there, there's my slide in my kitchen. It has a little bit of a slope on it. You can see the slope. Well, maybe you can't, but it's got maybe 1.5 degree slope down from the side of the trailer out to the tip of the slide. And sometimes you can get debris on there, and you can get, like you can see, even a couple of branches there on the corner. But you can get debris on there, and or you can get a really hard rain where the rain will actually start to pool on that, and it'll run back inside the trailer, and it'll cause havoc. And that's, you know, so my solution, and I've always done this, is just take your unit, and should have my glasses on. And this is the left side, so I want to go down on the left side, or I want to go up on the right side. So I'm going to go up a little bit on the right side. And we went to the provincial park yesterday, Sauble Falls Provincial Park. Well, holy mackerel. I mean, God bless them, because they were doing everything they could to eliminate the rain running on their tents. They had tarps everywhere, but I mean, the sites there are just mud. So, I mean, I can't imagine what it would be like. But God bless them for giving it a whirl and camping. And hopefully they keep coming back, because whether you're in a 40-foot toy hauler or whether you're in a 4-man tent, you're out there. And that's the key, is being out there and enjoying your life and enjoying the outdoors and enjoying the camping season. Because, you know, we really only have 12 weeks. We don't have a big amount of sunshine and Ontario weather. I mean, you think about June, July, and August. That's pretty well it. May, I mean, we had a snowstorm at the end of May this year up again. So, see, here's my back slide, or my back drain line. It's not draining at all. So I'm still, all of my water is still running off the front. I wonder why that is. I'm going to change it here again before I even go inside. It's still running on that side. So I'm going to see if it goes to the back instead of going to the front.
Not afraid to go out in the rain. Blue jeans covered in mud, shoes are in your hand. All this water wasn't in your plan. But when the devil sets too many fires, God is gonna send some rain and he'll be laughing, and you won't know why. Even though you've been praying for sunshine, sometimes you know it's still gonna rain. Put a smile on and say that it's alright. You don't mind it. No, you're not afraid. Not afraid to go out in the rain. Even though you've been praying for sunshine, yeah. Sometimes you know it's still gonna rain. It's still gonna rain now. Put a smile on and say it's alright. You don't mind it. No, you're not afraid. Not afraid to go out in the rain. Not afraid to go out in the rain.
I'm gonna run really fast and jump off. I'm gonna be doing that, but twice as the whips. I'm gonna be like, whip, whip.
Oh, look at, there she goes. Boom. Oh, jeez.
Okay, can you walk on your tippy toes? Perfect. These feel way too close. Like this? They're dirty.
Now I'm like jumping down right. It's scary.
During it? It was fun.
When we were young, we burned like summer suns. Our fears at bay, we made our own way, no stopping us.
You stuck it. You didn't fall on your bum.
We never knew the sky beyond the blue. We turned the page, our story became a world brand new. You and I, we have found what we've been missing. You and I, it feels like we're finally living. We are wide awake. It's all so
Sun-dried tomatoes and roasted red peppers, black olives, onions, pesto sauce, and mozzarella. And that was it.
And mine is a eggplant, a pesto base, eggplant, fresh matzo, sun-dried tomatoes, mushrooms, and a balsamic glaze. Cheers, everyone. The peanut butter parfait. She ain't pretty. It's
You're gonna have to hold on to that with 2 hands or it's gonna end up sideways. It's a little top heavy.
So am I. Did you try the Skittles on the counter?
There's Skittle. When you don't have glasses on, and I didn't see the heat after the sweet, and I shoved like 20 of them in my mouth because that's the way I eat Skittles.
Everybody does.
And I spit the entire thing out. Like it was so bad, Amber.
I wish I was here.
Oh my God.
I had them tucked away so you wouldn't eat them
I
without
freaking
me.
cursed you. I was like, you bugger. Oh,
That's your good move.
I better roll a 1.
Yes! I know it was, but like, still, the chances of me actually getting a hoverboard, 1 in a million.
You think, Mommy?
I'm in making a coffee and this is what I see Frank doing outside. It kind of makes me chuckle. I love him. He's playing with bubbles.
Doesn't work. It's broken. I don't understand it.
Why, were your bubbles broke?
My bubbles, like I tried fixing it and it's busted.
How are bubbles busted?
The ring is broke,
Oh.
right? The ring, the little thing that actually makes the bubbles, the long ring.
How did you break it? It wasn't broke, it was
I
brand
used
new.
it 2 or 3 times. I put a rubber band on it.
And you broke it.
Well, that's not what broke it.
Oh. Yes, it was.
No, it's not.
You put a rubber band on it trying to reshape the bubbles. I got on video. I videoed the whole thing.
I was trying to make it so that it was easier for Eli, but my handlinized testing system did not
and then you
pass.
broke.
No, you just gotta watch where you're walking.
So I was supposed to
Gotta be careful. It's a good roof, but you can feel it flexing. So.
Open wide, the future's on our side. We'll touch the stars, we'll follow our hearts into the light.
I feel like it went in with it too high. The unit too high. It set the pin, but I don't think it set the pin where it should have. So I'm gonna pull out and do it again. Coming out. And I'm gonna back it back in until I feel better about the click. It didn't click right.
It didn't click at all. That sounded better.
I feel better, yeah. Just watch my left side.
Okay. You're good on the tree back here.
Yeah, I'm about to hit the grass.
You're about to hit the grass. You're clear of the tree.
Okay,
Yeah, you're good. You're on the grass a lot though, but
that's okay. That's as good as I can do.
okay, you watch this fire pit. Can you see the pit there at all?
I can see the pit.
Okay, as long as you can see the pit. You got them watching your other side out there, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, you're good. Oh, not too much damage, babe.
Not too bad.
No, a little divot, but it'll come back. No digging up anyway. Okay. Yeah, you're good. You good? Thank you.
Way different if you didn't move.
That was nice of them. At least you would never have got that turn ever. No, just because of the traffic. This is what you get when you stay at the beach. On a Sunday. Lots of traffic.
Walk with me, and we'll be all we need. Your hand in mine, our song will find
Yep.
our
Have a safe day. Passed me just for me to pass you back.
We found what we've been missing, you and I.
Worked up a thirst. We'll get it tightened again. It won't take long. Oh yeah. Oh, it's not so bad. Little vacuum in it. Oh, where did it go? Oh, is there lots of froggies? Grandma's like, yeah, I'm done. I'm done doing frog duty. Yeah, we usually get, what, about 10 to 15 frogs in there each time. The joys of being beside the pond. They think they're home free and then they realize, oh shoot, that's not my pond. There's a reading to do over here. Dear Lord, look at that mess. We want to put a garden up here at some point. The butterflies like it, Daddy. Oh, it looks like Grandma planted a clematis. It's always nice to go away. Being home is always nice too. I just see so much work that needs to be done. You take a break, you work your butt off so you can take a break. You take your break, you come back, work your butt off to catch up from taking your break. Damage on my melons. Don't like that. Have to get my neem oil out. Oh, look at my cucumbers. Also are getting eaten up. Oh, the dill's coming up nicely. My marigolds are there. My nasturtiums are here. That's all coming up.
All right, so we're back home from our vacation, and it's going to take us a few days to get the place back up and get it right and get it tight and get the, you know, there's a lot of work that has to be done on a 30-acre property. With the amount of rain that we got, the grass was loving it, the gardens were loving it, and the weeds were loving it. So we're going to work hard to get it back. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with us. I hope you enjoyed coming around Sobel Beach with us on our family vacation. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. We look forward to seeing you soon. Stay safe, everyone.